Hello friends and welcome to AIKID Support, and today we will be talking about setting up a LMS website. I will show you a demo what type of LMS website we have built up, and if you want to build your own LMS website or learning management system, then you are here and I will let you know how we can do it. So at this moment you can see that we have some packages where we are building the platform for you, so you can go to this link and purchase our services, and we are happy to set up a whole LMS website or a e-commerce website or whatever type of website you want to make up for WordPress. We are ready just for you. Okay, so let me jump into the website and show you what exactly the feature it has. Okay, so in this website, this is one of the example website which we have built and it is ready at this moment. So what exactly the feature is? It is a completely multi-instructor LMS website. So how the things work and how it is looking. So I'm just going to let you know how. If you want to say, okay, let's build up a website like Udemy, then yes, it is one of the website which going to look as Udemy. But we have done some customization here. You can see there are a few courses which are showing up here. So this is one of the website which is all there in production. So I'm going to give you the link of the website. You can go ahead and check it out. And what positive is there is one of the free courses there, so you can opt for that particular free course and just give a heads up that how it is working and you can check it yourself. But I'm going to tell you that if you are an administrator, then what sort of capabilities you are going to get from this particular website. So this is a learning management system, and let's go to this all courses tab. And if you pick any of the courses, so before I start, if you're first time here, just hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like it. And if you have any questions, just shoot out in the comment section. I'm happy to help you out with the questions. Okay. So now you can see this is one of the test course which I have created. I have not published it. So I will pick any one of the course. Okay. So let's say I pick this one. So whenever a student comes in, you can see right now 12 students are already enrolled in this. So if you go there, these are the sections, and he or she can really have a look on what type of course curriculum it is, and is most of them you can see these are video based. So what are the sections which we have? Like you can see we can go to home, then activity, group, forum. So forum is also integrated in this, so we can create uh, a specific forum for specific set of courses. So it is also possible to really add users automatically when they are purchasing the course. They will be automatically redirected to that particular forum, and they have the access to really post some topics or comments into that forum. So let me just go and show you how the people will get this particular course. So once they purchase it, they will see this button as continue course. Previously it will be as take the course. So I will click this. So once you are clicking this, so it is going to launch the course. If it is a video based, then you will see a video. If it is audio based, you will see audio. If it is a text based, then you will see a text document. So there could be a possibility that you have put some PDF document for download, that also you can link it. So what type of video you can use? You can embed like YouTube video. You can embed like from any of the video hosting website which you are using, right? So you can use Vimeo. At this moment we are using Publitio, so I will put the link if you, in case you want to just check it out, that video hosting, because they have their own CDN enabled. So CDN is like content delivery network. It's basically when you are trying to load the video, it is going to load very quickly. It doesn't matter where exactly you are in geographical location. Okay. So if I click any of the classes, so I can navigate to that class, and if I have any question, I can put this and I can type some question here, and then I will post question. So automatically that question is routing to tutor, and that tutor can really respond to the course. So once I complete this, I will mark this class as complete, or I will click next unit. So I can also progress to a next unit, and then I will go ahead and consume the video content which is available. I can also toggle this section. You can see it is also toggle. We can do that. I can go to review this course, or I can finish this course, I will go to back to course. So I will do and go back to course, and I just want to show if you are a administrator or a instructor, how you will manage this course. So if you go to this admin bar, there in this admin bar you will able to add some users directly. In case there could be a possibility that you want to add some users directly without paying, or they have paid directly to your account, not from the website, so you want to add them in ad hoc basis. So that is also possible. First you ask them to register to your website. Once they are registered, then you will click this icon and you will put the name here. Let's say I put one name like Manish. So it is trying to find out if any user is still there. So I can see yes, Manish is there. So I will click this and I will add the student. So automatically this student is going to get the access. So in case you want to reset the student, in case he is progressing, I want to reset it. So I can click this icon and the course will be reset for that particular student. And I can also remove a student right away from this dashboard like this. I will click this and I can remove. In such cases, I've seen that there are some courses which where you are putting some subscription, or like the courses are visible only for next 30 days or next 2 months, like that. So in that case, there is a provision the user need to repay the amount to gain the access. In case they again want, okay, please give me 7 days access at least, just to go through all the things, and you have mutual understanding and you want to give them a extended subscription. So how you can do that, you will click this and you will see this icon which says extended subscription. So I will put the number of days. Let's say I put 7 days and I want to give him more 7 days to really access this course. So I will click extend subscription. So automatically from the front end you are able to manage these things. Let's say you at this moment you have added 4 to 5 classes in this whole video program, okay, in the class. So if you want to edit this course right from the front end, you can do the editing, and even from the front end your tutors can really create their own courses right from the beginning. So what I will do is I will straight away jump into this setup and curriculum. Or what you can do is when you are creating this, I will specify a category. I will write out a course short description, and then also I can hit this and it will having the whole complete course description. Okay, so once it is complete, then you will hit the save course. But ultimately where we want to do the changes, I want to do the changes in set curriculum. So I will go to this section and I will you can see this I have added, and I can remove this, or I will add another section here. Okay, I will add like this is example 01. Okay, so like this, then I will add a section or add a unit, add a quiz, add assignment. So all things are possible, you can add it. Once the things are done, you will save this curriculum, and you can embed a video as well. Like you can see, you can embed a video, you can embed an audio. So all the things are possible here. So you can save this as well if you want to change the price or anything. So as your instructor is going to do the modification, and they need to send it for approval. So as I'm an administrator, I don't need to really get and send it to approval. It will get auto approved. If I click this, so it will prompt me save course, and now it is showing that it is sending for the approval. But the thing is, it is automatically going to be published. Now you can see the course successfully updated. You will view this course and I will see the changes which I have already made there. So you can see there was a section called audio course. I've removed it, so now it is not visible here. Okay, so like this, the people can also give you a little bit of rating and how the course is. So it is going to give a good understanding to the people that okay, we have a good bit of rating, how many number of students are already enrolled. So it is also going to give a good credibility, right, that okay, this course is working for the people and they are liking it. So like this. And if I go to this home section, okay, you can also set some assessment as well. So that is what is the most important thing. So selling the courses, you can have multiple payment gateways as well, like PayPal. If you are from India, we are integrating like Razorpay for INR payments. So you can use n number of features which are really good. Okay, so in case you want to set up your own WordPress platform for e-commerce, for learning management system, you are welcome. We are happy to help you out. We are going to develop this website within 10 days. Yes. So when we are committing, we are going to make it and deliver you the product right away within 10 days. But the important thing is you need to contribute and you need to provide a certain list of documents. I'm going to share the once you place the order, we will send you a checklist and you can directly contact with us with the help of like WhatsApp, and we are going to show you share the progress as well, what we are doing, how we are doing it. If we stuck somewhere, definitely we will escalate and let you know, okay, we need help from you. We are going to give you a free hosting, which is 1 year free hosting with this, like SiteGround hosting you are going to get along with this contract, and you're also going to get free SSL. So this is what we are going to offer at this moment. So if you are happy or if you have any questions, you can shoot out in the comment section. I'm happy to help you out. And it's happens that you can also develop your own, but the thing is, the time is more important than money, right? So if you save time, and we are here to help you, because when you are teaching, so that is your main skill set, so you can concentrate on your work, and we will be developing your website so that you can teach and focus on your area and expertise which you have, right? So hope this video is informative and you understood the point why I've created this video, because I want to help you out and I don't want to waste your time doing the development or setting up your whole platform, where we can help you out setting up your platform. And what you can do is you can concentrate on your own business, promoting it, creating content, which is the more important thing, right? So cheers, and if you like it, just hit the like button. If you didn't like it, please hit the dislike, but please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you very much, and do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to do that. Thank you.